Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on how to make this pattern, and then while the other video was loading, I just rotated it 90 degrees, put a different color, and I did a basket weave. Doesn't take any time at all. It looks difficult, but it's pretty easy. So let's just nudge that one out of the way. Now, one advantage is I made it 1 inch. You know, everything is 1 inch from each other. Let's just move that out of the way. There was the original drawing that somebody wanted. I'm pretty sure this isn't what they wanted to do, but the basket weave is pretty easy. So what we want to do, because the green is one group of items and the blue is another, because if we select them both, there's 2 objects. We're going to use the intersect tool, and we're just going to make a square that'll just barely kind of get all the edges and of both colors. Not any more, not really any less, kind of like right in there. And because we've nudged, we want every other one, so we're going to go move it over two inches, and then sometimes my Corel does that. It goes back to the start. So we've got those. Now we're going to take a copy and make a plus key and put it down. Well, you know what? Make it easy. Just take that block, make a copy and nudge it down. Well, we really just need it 1 inch, because we need to do every other one, or every one, but a different scenario. So now we're going to go here. Now we want to move it over 1. Now we want 2-inch nudge, because we're going to take that and Control D and make a duplicate. Now we can actually grab all those, and we can grab those because we're not entirely getting the blue. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. And because there's an odd amount, we don't need those bottom ones. So that was pretty easy so far. Now what we can do is just change our nudge factor to like 15 and nudge this guy out of there. Then we can select all these red ones and group them. Control G, or go up to Object and hit Group. Now that that's a group of items, you can see it's a group of 61 items. We can select it all and intersect. Look what it did. It made little bitty green blotches. I'm going to keep that, so I'm going to nudge it out of the way. Now, the green is already on the back of the page because of the blue. So we're going to go to, before we even move it, we're going to go to Order, Front of Page. And in that quick, it looks like, whoa, don't cut it. It looks like a basket weave. Every other one is in and out. Pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.